Yeah, now it's recording. All right. A quick video about this. That's a electrical disconnect plier I bought. Two of them, a straight one, and this one's curved, for about $10. You want this if you want to fool with these old cars that have connectors that haven't been removed for 25 years. How to get them loose. See that right there? Well, that's the O2 sensor. According to my scanner, it's bad. This is the connector right here, which I've already taken off. And that's what it plugs into right there. Now, reaching down in this mess down here and trying to push that tab and get that off was really difficult to do. I couldn't get it off. So I looked on the internet and found these little connector pliers. See, I got this like semicircle here, and then the little thing that pushes down on the tab. You get under it, you position it, and you put that point on the tab and you push, and then boop, pops right off. Works. After struggling with my thumbs for about 35 minutes, getting nowhere, there's the tab right there. You can see it. You gotta push that in. Well, that's old plastic. Man, it wouldn't. I didn't have the thumb pressure to do it. You see the little notch there? That's what holds it on. You push in the tab, and it'll like just pull right out easily. And now it's off. So now I have to buy a O2 sensor and replace this one. The other O2 sensor is bad too, and that's an entirely different story because it's way back in there. You can't even see it. The way to get to it, you have to take this off and then go through that way. That's a video for another day. Just a quick tip. Buy these things. They work. They make your life a lot easier. Hope this helps somebody.